guys, today we'll share one amazing hacks to relieve your cough, cold, blocked nose and chest congestion. Take one clean muslin cloth or any rumal, add 2 to 3 cardamom, elaichi, 2 to 3 camphor, kapoor, 3 to 4 clove, long and some carom seeds, ajwain. Make a pouch like a potli and smell it through the day. Follow me for such amazing hacks and thank you for watching. Bye bye.